Looking for a compact camera in 2026 that is easy to carry, simple to use, and suitable for photography, travel, and YouTube vlogging? Compact digital cameras are still a convenient choice for people who don't want to carry a large DSLR or mirrorless camera everywhere. In this video, we're looking at the top 5 best compact cameras of 2026. We'll cover the main features, what each camera is good for, the pros and cons, and which type of user should consider each one. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 8K 88 megapixel digital camera with dual lens. This camera is designed for users who want an affordable and compact device for both photography and video recording. The 88 megapixel resolution is aimed at capturing highly detailed still images, while the advertised 8K video capability makes it attractive for creators who want high-resolution video. Another useful feature is the dual lens design, which gives you more flexibility when shooting different types of content. The camera also includes autofocus, which can make it easier to keep your subject sharp, especially when you're recording yourself or capturing moving subjects. The built-in Wi-Fi is another convenient feature, because wireless connectivity can make transferring photos and videos to a compatible smartphone or other device easier. The touchscreen also makes navigating settings and framing your shots more convenient. Pros: 8K video capability, 88 megapixel advertised photo resolution, dual lens design, autofocus, Wi-Fi connectivity, 16x digital zoom, touchscreen, good for travel and vlogging. Overall, this is an interesting choice for beginners and casual creators who want lots of features in a compact camera. Number 2. 64 megapixel 5K vlogging camera. This model is designed with beginners, teenagers, and new content creators in mind. It features a 64 megapixel camera system and supports 5K video recording, giving you plenty of resolution for everyday photography and video creation. One of its biggest highlights is the 180-degree flip screen. If you're creating YouTube videos, selfies, or travel vlogs, a flip screen can make it much easier to see yourself while recording. The camera also includes autofocus and an 18x digital zoom, giving you additional flexibility when framing subjects at different distances. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around, making it suitable for travel, school, family events, and beginner content creation. Pros: 64 megapixel advertised photo resolution, 5K video capability, 180-degree flip screen, autofocus, 18x digital zoom, compact and portable, beginner-friendly design. Overall, this camera is a good choice for beginners and vloggers who want a compact camera with a flip screen and plenty of easy-to-use features. Number 3. NBD S210F 8K 64 megapixel camera. This model combines a 64 megapixel camera, advertised 8K video, autofocus, a flip screen, and a compact body. One of its standout features is the advertised 16x optical zoom, if the listing specification is accurate for the exact version you're buying. Optical zoom can be particularly useful because it can magnify a subject without relying on the same type of digital enlargement used by digital zoom. The flip screen also makes this camera suitable for selfies and vlogging. For YouTube creators, being able to monitor your framing while recording yourself is a major advantage. Its compact design also makes it suitable for travel and everyday photography. Pros: 64 megapixel advertised resolution, 8K video capability, autofocus, flip screen, 16x optical zoom, compact design, suitable for YouTube and travel. Overall, the NBD S210F is an interesting option for creators who want a compact camera with high-resolution photo and video, autofocus, a flip screen, and long-range zoom capability. Number 4. 4K HD dual camera camcorder. This model focuses more heavily on video recording while still offering photography features. It is advertised with a 75 megapixel resolution, 4K video, and an 18x zoom. The 3-inch screen provides a convenient display for composing your shots, while autofocus helps keep your subject in focus. Another useful feature is anti-shake technology, which can help reduce unwanted movement when you're recording handheld. The built-in flashlight can also be useful when you need additional illumination in darker environments. For casual creators, family events, travel videos, and beginner YouTube content, this type of camcorder can be a practical option. Pros: 4K video recording, dual camera design, 75 megapixel advertised resolution, 18x zoom, 3-inch display, autofocus, anti-shake feature, built-in flashlight. Overall, this camera is worth considering if your priority is simple 4K video recording with a compact and easy-to-use camcorder-style design. And number 5. 75 megapixel 5K digital camera. This camera is clearly aimed at vlogging, selfies, travel photography, and beginner content creation. The 180-degree flip screen is one of the most useful features for vloggers because you can turn the screen towards yourself and monitor your framing while recording. It also includes Wi-Fi, which can be convenient for transferring content to compatible devices. The 18x digital zoom gives you additional framing flexibility, although it's important to remember that digital zoom can reduce image quality as you zoom in. Pros: 75 megapixel advertised photo resolution, 5K video capability, 180-degree flip screen, 18x digital zoom, Wi-Fi connectivity, compact design, good for vlogging and selfies. Overall, this is a practical option for people who want an affordable, compact camera for YouTube, travel, selfies, and everyday photography. So, those were the top 5 best compact cameras of 2026. At number 1, the 8K 88-megapixel dual lens camera is an interesting choice if you want a feature-packed compact camera with Wi-Fi, autofocus, a touchscreen, and dual lenses. At number 2, the 64-megapixel 5K vlogging camera is a beginner-friendly option with a 180-degree flip screen and autofocus, making it especially useful for selfies and vlogging. At number 3, the NBD S210F combines high-resolution photography and video with autofocus, a flip screen, and an advertised 16x optical zoom. At number 4, the 4K dual-camera camcorder is a good option for users who want straightforward 4K video recording, anti-shake functionality, autofocus, and a camcorder-style design. And number 5, the 75-megapixel 5K digital camera offers a 180-degree flip screen, Wi-Fi, and 18x digital zoom, making it another interesting choice for beginner vloggers and travelers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.